What's up, fellas? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the first video that I'm doing for this lockdown that I'm on, this 6 months lockdown. Today is the 13th of this challenge in the year. So I'm going to go over to the chat and show you guys to my notion and show you guys the trades that I took for the week. Sorry, the trade I took this week, the losses I made, the wins and the break even. I'm going to show you guys everything and the thought process towards that. So the first 10 trades, like I told you guys in my last video, that I'm going to be taking 10 trades at a time. So if I'm going to be doing 100 trades, it's going to overwhelm me. Like I don't know how to handle the whole trade, and I might eventually give up. But take 10 trades, I'm focused on the first 10 trades. I'm going to focus on 10 trades, 10, 10, 10, 10, before you know it, get to 50, before you know it, get to 100. So this is the first 10 trades. The first trade is short, lot size 0.03. I have 3 accounts that I'm trading, so I use different type of lot size. So the one that I remember was the one of 0.03. That was why I used 0.03. And then other type, instant execution, confluence, far, trend, and our double creation and 50 minutes A plus setup. This is the power, trend, double rejection, and before and after. This trade later went to TP, but you're already out there with stop loss, so that is it. Then the second trade is on the 4th of this month. This is the trend. This is the 1 hour weekly rejection. This is 1 hour weekly rejections on the 1 hour, and this is entry from the 5th. Sorry, from the 15 minutes here. This is the break even. This one was kind of sketchy because I left this trade on break even and trade tanked down to my TP, and it was around 7 p.m. in the night. I can't hold trade till 7 p.m. bro. I can't. So this one is the best trade of the week. This one is the best trade of the week on Thursday. Trend aligned, 1 hour double rejection was sweet. Look at it, double rejection. I marked it, rejections, and then pound the before. This is after. I was having I was skeptical about this trade because if you watch the video I uploaded, I was skeptical about this trade because the stop loss didn't cover the high. I like my stop loss to cover the high, but it didn't cover the high. I was kind of skeptical about So this is my best trade for the week, and thanks to R. So yeah, let me show you guys my PNL for March. March hasn't been so dramatic. Just 3 trades since March. 2nd, 4th, and 5th. First one was SL minus 1%. Second one was break even 0%. Third one was TP 2%. Yeah, just 1% up for the month, and it's not a bad month, It's not a bad start for the month. This is the first week. We still have more, like 3 weeks more to go, and then yeah. So what did I learn from this whole week? I learned that trading has to be boring. I was on around Wednesday, I was kind of tired about waiting. Well, I told myself that I think this is the best part of trading, waiting. Waiting is the best part of trading. If you can't wait, like when I mean wait, I mean hours, sometimes even days for a best setup to enter, become that is where you will be having so many issues. So yeah, that is what I think about my lessons for this trade. So like before you saw this video, I have like videos that I recorded during the week, and I want to apologize for they are kind of messy because the first one was blurry, the quality was low. I didn't even know. I just recorded it. So I'm going to make it better next week so that you not be angry with me. So yeah, what is my mindset towards this challenge? Personally, I used to tell myself that one trade is not going to define me. One trade, win or loss, is not going to define how this my 180 days is going to be. And 1 week of win doesn't determine how my 26 weeks is going to be. And one trade, win or loss, is not going to define how my 100 trades is going to be. So yeah, first week, nothing much. I wasn't expecting. Sorry, second week I wasn't expecting much because today is day 13 or day 14. Today is day 13 of the challenge. So I'm not expecting much to start happening now. I want by the time we get to maybe month 3, I'll start looking for proof. But for now, keep momentum high, keep pushing, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.